guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is a festival, aka Coachella look. So this is what I will be rocking if I went to Coachella, but not again this year. This is a festival look that I created and I love it so much because of the glitters, you guys. It's so pretty. And I achieved this look using this Pure palette. This is from Pure Cosmetics and this is the festival palette. And the glitter is this beautiful 24K magic glitter and it is just gorgeous. I will be creating a look for you guys using the products that I got from my BoxyCharm. And I will be incorporating those products into this look. If you guys are interested in how I created this look, then please continue watching. We are going to start with the festival look and I am going to start with the eyes as usual. And today we are going in with the Pure Festival palette. And I got this in my BoxyCharm. A couple of the products that I will be using are from my BoxyCharm. Anybody feeling the Coachella FOMO? Because I know I am every year. But yeah, we are just going to start with the looks and I'm going to show you guys a look using this palette and using the products I got in my BoxyCharm. And let's just get to it now, shall we? So we are going to go into this lighter brown shade called Epic. I'll be going in with the darker shades down here for my outer corners, and I want to go in with this shade called Hidden Desert. I get these three brushes. This is from Luxie and they are also from my BoxyCharm, and this is the Summer Days collection, so I think they're super cute. And I will be using this for my eyes. I will be using the Luxie 209. I'm just going to buff that out on the other corners. No, probably dragging it a little bit towards the inner corner as well. Hear like some noises or some breathing. It's my little doggy. He is here with me today. He's just around the room doing his own thing. So for all over my eyes, I'm thinking of going in with this purple shade called Gypsy, and then I will be putting this beautiful 24K magic shade, this bright gold color all over on top. I'm going in with a Gypsy shade, just applying it. Using this Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm going in with the 24K magic shade. Wow. I'm going to put this right in the center. It's actually real pigmented and tacky as well. I thought I would need like a glitter glue for this, but it's actually staying on pretty nice. Wow, it's beautiful. Go in with the Epic shade, and I just want to go and put a little bit of that shade on the top part of my crease. Kind of want to bring it a little bit higher. Want the gradient effect of the shades. And one more color I want to add on the outer corners is this darker shade All Night. Just going to be tapping a little bit of that on the outer corners. Alright, so let's go ahead and stray away from the eye for now and work on the face. I want a full coverage foundation, so I'll be going in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. And it also has SPF 15, so especially if you're going to the festival, you're out in the sun, this will also give you that protection. And this is the shade NC20. Going this onto my little really nasty beauty blender thing here. I just love this so much. And for concealer, I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Accomplice Concealer. I think this concealer will be really good if you go to Coachella and you have to touch up your makeup. I'm seeing everybody's Coachella pictures and everybody's looking like they're having so much fun and enjoying themselves. And it just seems so fun. Okay, I really gotta go. I'm going to use this little contour brush from Luxie. This is the small contouring 512 brush. And I am going in with this Shade and Light Contour Duo from Kat Von D. And this is in the shade Shadow Play, and the powder is in the shade Lyric. So I'm just going to tap into this powder. It's really pigmented, so you do need to like tap off the excess. I'm just going to contour my face. Go and give ourselves some bronzing. And then we are going in with some blush. And I am going in with my Saharan Blush Volume 2 from Juvia's Place. And I have these beautiful shades right here. And I'm thinking about going in with this pink shade right here called Lena. I'll probably be adding some of this Zoba. To put that. Really pigmented. Just gonna blend it out. Blend it up. Alright, and we are going to use this Lyric shade from this contour. Use it underneath here instead of baking. I've been trying to not bake as much, so I just use a powder instead and put it underneath the contouring. So I'll be putting this right underneath my eyes. Give a little bit of brightness underneath the eyes. This is the Flutter Lashes in the style Intoxicating. And it looks like this. Super dramatic and super gorgeous. I'll be putting this on my eyes and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so the lashes are on. I've started on my lower lash line and I've used the Epic shade. I'm going in with the Hidden Desert, which is the lighter brown shade. I'm also going to be putting that underneath here as well. I'm going in with the shade All Night, which is the darker shade. And that is going to finish off the lower lash line. For me, for the lower lash line, I usually like it when it's a little bit darker. So I like to use the darker shade for the lower lash line. Just want to give it that smoky look. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. In the inner corners, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that 24K Magic on the center, and oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's so tacky, which is a good thing because that means the glitter is sticking on. Alright, let's move on to the highlight, and I have the Artist Couture Purple Dream highlight. Oh yeah, you can see that purple sheen. Wow. It does not look purple on this at all, but when you put it on your cheeks, it is definitely purple. Put a little bit more glow, so I am going in with the Anastasia Snowflake Loose Highlighter. Okay, gorgeous. And for the lips, I'm going in with this lip liner, and this is in the shade Wherever Walnut from Makeup Forever. This is just a lip liner. I am just going to use this to color in my lips. Right, so I just colored that in. And I'm going in with this holographic lip gloss from Appeal. So this also came in my BoxyCharm. Also has like a tint of purple. Now we are going to finish the look off with the Dewy Setting Spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Before finishing off this look, I am going in with the Milk Makeup Tattoo Liner. This is the Star. I wanted to put this after the setting powder, the setting spray. I'm just going to put two little star dot right there because hello, why not? And this is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will pick up this Pure palette. You guys, it's gorgeous. And yeah, it's festival month, you guys. I can't believe Coachella is here again. I mean, it's crazy because I get jealous every year when everybody posts on Instagram. So one day, you guys, one day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this look, and if you guys did, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave and join my family here on YouTube. And if you guys want to see more videos, please click on the videos that are shown up here. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you guys so much.